A very pleasant morning to all the class 10 students, beautiful and sincere students. Okay, so the next topic we are going to study is application of quadratic equation. So it's mostly the word problems here, and we are going to discuss the 4 word problems: number related problem, age related problem, and area related problems, and speed, distance and time word problems. Okay, so the first one we are going to study about is number related problems, word problems. How can we solve the number related word problems? By converting the situations into quadratic equations and following up the two method, that is factorization and quadratic formula. Whichever method you feel easy, you can go through it. Okay, so the first question, as you can see, first question is Tashi and Kunga together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So the Tashi da Kunga le punyi ra the kunsu kyansu ge todi zigi ya todi zai go ra with na shi da kunsu ni je la la ra toli dom nirwa toli tanga kunsu ni ge toli tanga dom ni ship shanga yorelar. Okay, suppose Tashi la nishu yoina Kunga la nisanga yora nishu ga la nishu sanga dom baina ship shanga cheira the kisi Tashi ge tanga di how kugena ra Tashi ge marbles tanga di how kugena. Now we can easily find out the number of marbles Kunga has, right? The next is both of them lost 5 marbles each. Tashi le nga ma the ra Tashi nga lar Kunga ge nga lar Tashi nga la na nishu nga den jonga cheira ta na shi ani ngisanga nga den nishu cheira ta so exact khaim ha go ma ngi da suppose sure da. Okay, and the crying ge dom ni crying into chira da the product na khala multiplication ra product na multiply chera the crying ge hago jura jonga da hajuna nishu la sa jonga da nishu into chini khali la na tangangi into china ngala gata ngisap go real. Now we would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Kunzu ro thangbo na marble khazue ne go zu real khazue real marble thangbo. Okay, now see it very carefully. I'll just explain. So first solution, right? Now if I take the number of marbles of Tashi is equal to x. Okay, let's write the number of marbles Tashi okay, so let the number of marbles does Tashi has is number of marbles does she have. Okay, sorry, there's a half there. Tashi because you x your race now the number of marbles Kunga have is the white here marta dila. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. The one variable is the the also khaira crying dom ne shibri shanga ra crying dom ne khazara shibri shanga ne khate re Tashi ki marble de mathe ne dugo ra ve mara Tashi x yoina ga Kunga khazara 45 minus x ra. Okay, now the second condition now according to question ra both of them lost khare both of them both of them lost 5 marbles ra each ra. Then Tashi's number of marble is equal to x minus 5. Ni ko se ko su ni ja kharna marble ma la de ko sa ko ni ma the ra ta shi Kunga's dikha chire Kunga's number of marble khachire 45 minus x minus 5, that is 40 minus x, okay. So number ding the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. The number did that the marbles did would multiply check product, okay. X minus 5 into 40 minus x, right? This one. 40 minus x is equal to 124. So 40 into x will be 40x minus x square. 5 4 is 20 or 200. And plus 5x equal to 124. So the first thing we need to do is that we have to arrange this in the standard form. So minus x square, 40 plus 5 will be 45x. Okay, then minus 200, then 124 will be carried here, minus 124, minus x square plus 45x, minus 200 plus 124 is 324 is equal to 0. Now here you can see the minus, isn't it? So we have to change this in the plus. How can we can change is that we have to carry this in the, okay, right side, carry this in the right side. So here will be 0, right? 0 will be left in the left side. So the part join the plus shade or the minus shade, all the sign will be changed here. 324. Now you got the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is what? Now what you will do is you have to do the factorization method, or you can do the quadratic formula. So here the number is too big, right? So if number is very big, we can also go do the quadratic formula, okay, and we can also do the factorization method. First I'll do the factorization factorization factor LCM okay. Number LCM 2 1s 2 6 2 2 2 8 2 1s 3 3 2 6 and 3 7 21 3 9 and 3 3 and 3 1s. Minus 45x we have to shoot the number after adding the two numbers. We need to have minus 45. Adding de la plus 2 2 so 4, 3 3 so 9. 9 and 4. 9 4 is also there. 9 into 4. 9 4 is 36. 3 3 is 9. 36 plus 9 there. 45. Let's go. Okay. The 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 2 2 so 4, 3 3 so 9. 4 9 so 36 into 3 3 so 9. 36 9 into shina delete 324 delete. Domna 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. Minus 45 go to they minus and they minus 45. So x squared minus 36x minus 9x plus 324. Okay. Now the next step is you have to take common here. X commonly x minus 36 share minus 9 share x minus 36. 9 36 is 324. 36 9 is 324. This one which is the so x minus 36 share x minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 36 equal to 0. 0 x is equal to minus 36 plus 36 x minus 9 is equal to 0 x is equal to 9. So the color on the Kuranicha marble Hanya goes to 36 goes to chick the cow 9 goes to Ko Hazara, Tashila Hazura, Tashila, some sort of your raw. Ani Kungala Hazurana 9 year. 양이나 공거라 36 UCD 아니 저시라 9 UC 다디로 그러니 먼저 들어 마블 탐방이나 공거 half 라디나 디 샤워나 공거라 X 잖아로 아니 공거 36 실로 또 무슨 이제 전에 고수로나 심지 소주다 9의 고수 다들 therefore the marbles they had to start with us 36 and 9 okay did check the 얘기로 내가 정말 지선이 디 quadratic formula 필요신 직도 무슨 quadratic formula